The JS file type is a text file containing JavaScript code. If you double-click it, Windows might try to run it, which can be dangerous. It's safer to edit it or run it in a browser console. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's handle it safely. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful JS file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A JS file contains JavaScript code, a high-level interpreted programming language primarily used to add interactivity to websites. JavaScript enables dynamic content updates, multimedia control, animation, and various other interactive elements. It is an essential technology for modern web development, running client-side in web browsers. JS files contain plain text code adhering to the ECMAScript standard. They can be linked to HTML documents using the. For JS, the safest first choice is JavaScript. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows can display the file contents, but safe execution relies on trusted environments. To force file access, right-click your JS file and select Open With. If JavaScript is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your JS file will not open yet, do not panic. This format is tricky. Since the JS file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, use a code editor. Open the file using a dedicated code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom to benefit from syntax highlighting and easier debugging. Next, execute in browser. Open a web browser, press F12 to open the console, and use the Source tab to load and debug the script. Refresh the cache, curl plus F5 before testing. Finally, check Node Runtime. If a server-side script, ensure the Node.js runtime environment is correctly installed and that the script is executed using the command node file name JS. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.